Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and at last we have got some movements on the chart. But the bad thing is that market did not bounce from the support as expected. Rather, it is trading below the support level. That's why I always say that confirmation is important. Okay, anyways, let's do the analysis first. Okay, so if I zoom out the chart, then we can easily see that market is very bullish. Market is in uptrend, and as we all know, in an uptrend market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. Whereas in a downtrend market, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. This is like a thumb rule, because to stay safe, we should follow the trend. And there is also a popular saying in the market that trend is your friend. Therefore, following the popular saying, okay, we should mainly look for buying opportunities in a uptrend market. And we can see that yes, GBP USD is in uptrend, overall trend. Okay. And as I've already discussed in my previous videos, okay, that no doubt market is in uptrend. Okay, but if we just look at this particular portion, then we can easily see that market is trading in a tight range. Rather, it's in a very narrow range. And yes, we have made, and we also got plenty of opportunities to make money from the market when market bounced from this particular support levels. Okay, and so we have got two levels in this market right now. So 1.4245 on the upside, which is acting as a resistance, and on the downside we have, okay, 1.4100 as a support. Okay, just few seconds ago I said that in an uptrend market we should always look for buying opportunities. Okay, but if we look at the present trend, okay, if we look at the present trend of GBP USD, then we can easily see that it's in sideways. And as we all know, in sideways market we get trading opportunities at the resistance also and at the support also. Okay, right now market is just trading at the support. Okay, because the 1.4100 was acting as a strong support for the market. Okay, but right now it is trading below the support level. Okay, still it does not give us the confirmation that yes, the support is broken, because see, we cannot be too sure right now, because we need confirmation. I always discuss in my videos that confirmation is extremely important. Okay, if market starts trading below this level for another 4 hours, okay, then we'll get the confirmation that yes, market is facing very difficulty in crossing the support, and this support has become the resistance now. Okay, but right now, though market is trading below the resistance level, but still we cannot be sure. Therefore, we need confirmation. We'll have to wait for the market to trade below this level for at least another 4 hours. Okay. And in my previous videos, I have already shown you in the weekly chart how the market is trading. Let me discuss it again. So this is the weekly chart. Okay, just like Euro USD, market also faced resistance on third week of Feb. Okay, and when market tried to go up, okay, because prior to that market was very bullish. Okay, but on third week of Feb, market faced some heavy selling pressure from above. Market formed a shooting star pattern, and we, just like Euro USD, that price level is acting as a resistance to the market. And just like Euro USD, okay, GBP USD is also finding it very difficult to cross the resistance level. And for the past 4 to 5 weeks, GBP USD is trying to cross the level and unable to do so. We can see that this week market has formed a small red candle with price rejection from above, but if we look at the previous two candles, we can see that previous two candles were spinning top, which means that bulls and bears were of same strength. They tried to take the price to their own direction, but none, and ultimately there was indecision in the market. But this week bulls Bulls are losing their strength in comparison to sellers, but still we cannot be too sure whether we should short the market or not. Because see, because there is a good amount of possibility that 1.4100 still may act as a support. Okay, because yes, market is trading below the support, but support is not broken. We have not got the confirmation yet. Okay, and okay, let's discuss the strategy. Okay, enough with the analysis. Okay, let's discuss what should be a strategy. Before that, let's look at the this stuff, currency strength meter. So this is the daily currency strength meter, and just look at GBP and USD. Okay, you can see that GBP is much weaker in comparison to USD. So which means that USD is stronger. If GBP would have been stronger and USD would have been weaker, then then market would have been in uptrend. Okay, but right now the scenario has changed. USD is strong, GBP is weak. Therefore, we are getting a downtrend market. And if both the currencies would have been in the same strength level, then it would have been a sideways market. But right now our main currency GBP is weak. As a result, market is falling. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? Okay, so considering the present price level or current price level, okay, wait for 4 to 8 hours, sorry, 4 to 6 hours, and just see how the price is doing, because confirmation is important, because this level is acting as a support for the market for the last 1 month. Therefore, there is still possibility that bulls will try to take the price upward. Okay, and you can see that market is also in the oversold zone. So shorting the market right away will not be a wise decision. Okay, and still we can see that bulls are trying to take the price upward, because see, every minute the candle is changing. Every passing minute we are seeing some price rejection from below. Therefore, wait for 4 hours and just see how the price reacts. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours, okay, selling pressure is still there in the market. Okay, bulls ultimately have surrendered. Okay, sellers have taken control over the market. Okay, then you can short the market. Okay, then the support will become the resistance. This 1.4100 will be the resistance for the market. Okay, but remember, overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. Okay, overall market is bullish. Therefore, be very careful. If you do not see, okay, after 4 to 6 hours, if you do not see some good selling pressure with good amount of volume, remember, if price is the king, then volume is the queen. If you do not see some good volume, then do not short the market. If you see some small red candles, tiny red candles, do not short the market. Okay, try to understand the market psychology, try to read the market emotion, then only act. Okay, on the other hand, if you see that after 4 to 6 hours, market has um successfully what's it? successfully maintained this support level and successfully close above this support level, then you will get the confirmation that yes, 1.4100 is a very strong support. If market gives a closure, or if market successfully closes above this level, then only. Okay, if market closes above this level with good price rejection from below, like a candle, like this, or hammer, or price rejection from below, if market successfully closes above the resistance, so above the support level 1.4100, then you can go for a buy order. Okay, but right now market has crossed the important support level. Therefore, wait for the confirmation, wait for a couple of hours, and then act accordingly. Okay, remember one thing, volume is extremely important in case you want to short the market, because overall market is in uptrend. And if market successfully manages to give a closure above the support level, you can go for a buy order. Okay, but right now observe the market carefully. So hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.